Hello and welcome to the channel. Jamie here from JAYP Cars. Welcome to our new home. After 3 long years of searching, I found the perfect place to tinker with the cars for the channel. I'm really excited to bring this to you guys. I've been waiting for a while for it to happen and it's finally happening. I'm very excited to bring some cars in here. The Audi S4, I've got to do some front suspension on that. It's not feeling quite right, so the lift will come in handy for that. The cheapest Volvo in the country that I bought for £400 with an MOT. I bought this. The cheapest Volvo in the country because I'm stupid. Suspension issues. It doesn't feel right on the road, so I'm gonna have to do that and bring that in here. The Range Rover, cheapest Range Rover in the country, £650. Now has an MOT, by the way. I will be doing an MOT video at some point, but I'll break it to you now. That, if it can fit through the door, I'm sure it will, if it can, that will be coming in for a full detail by myself, so don't get your hopes up too much, but it will look a hell of a lot better than what it does. Also, the Jaguar XJS V12 HE from 1984. 5.3 litre V12 in that. A beautiful car, but it needs some work. That's gonna be our first kind of proper project in this unit. So that'll be coming in. I might have to put a winch to get it in because it's kind of downhill outside. So pushing it up is gonna be very hard. It's quite a heavy car. So we were getting the XJS in here at some point. A proper project, which I'm really excited for because it's like a lifelong dream to do something like that. As you can see, it is a work in progress. It looks a lot better than what it did when we first came in, but we are slowly getting there. We're slowly making progress. Still need to get like workbench. I'm still looking for shelving. It's all very fresh, all very new. But me and Mark, who has been on a few trips with me, came to Wales with me, went to Scotland with me, you know, the £300 Bora trip. He helped with some of that and also helped with the Wales trip in the Saab. If you haven't seen those videos, click up here somewhere and I'll put them up there. He's been helping out, we've been sorting out, we've been cleaning up, and we've been trying to get everything sorted, ready to go. I will enjoy it along the way and I hope you do too. So please do subscribe to the channel. Now we are in our new home. Videos should be coming a lot more frequently. We'll get more done, get more cars and go from there. As you can see, I kind of didn't line up for the Audi very well. Because I realised I had to get out the doors. I shall see you in the next video, guys. Really appreciate the support as always, because without you, this wouldn't be possible. Thanks, guys. See you in the next video. Did I mention we have a lift?